Hello everyone, welcome to our exploration of text analytics architecture for healthcare industry using Azure services and OpenAI. Technology plays a vital role in healthcare as it enhances the accuracy of diagnosis and treatment through advanced tools like imaging and AI. It also improves communication and coordination of care among healthcare professionals and streamlines processes to save time. In this video, we'll discuss one such implementation and explain the various data flows of the system to help you understand how the entire system operates. Whether you're a developer, an architect, or just someone curious to know how this architecture works, this video will provide you with valuable insights. My name is Madhur. Let's get started. Let's begin by setting the context. Over the past few years, many healthcare companies have switched to cloud-based platforms to provide their services online through telehealth solutions. As a result, a large amount of audio data is available to the companies that offer these services, which can be analyzed for valuable insights such as prescribed treatments. However, due to the immense scale of this data, manual analysis is a time-consuming and challenging task. Furthermore, the data is of sensitive nature, which makes analysis even more challenging. This is where we can deploy cloud-based AI/ML services to automate this analysis. But before going into the solution, let's identify the requirements for the architecture. The first requirement is to automate the transcription of audio data. Second, run a healthcare-specific analysis of that data that includes medical terminology linkage. Third, serve the data to end users. The architecture diagram displays all Azure services and number data flows, which we'll discuss. The process begins with uploading audio files to an Azure storage account. Supported methods include using a storage SDK, storage API, and Azure Storage Explorer. Azure Data Lake Storage provides massively scalable, cloud-native object storage. As a data lake that's built on top of Azure Blob Storage, Data Lake Storage offers optimized cost and performance for data that's used in analytics, machine learning, and other applications. The upload to storage triggers an Azure Logic app. The Logic app accesses any necessary credentials in Azure Key Vault so that it can make a call to the Azure AI Speech Batch Transcription API. Azure Logic Apps is a cloud service that lets you automate workflows by connecting and coordinating various Azure services, applications, and data sources. In short, it helps you build automated processes that glue different tools together. Azure Key Vault stores secrets such as tokens, passwords, and client keys. To help control access to secrets, Key Vault provides fine-grained authorization and authentication based on Microsoft Entra ID. Key Vault also supports native integrations to many Azure services. Next, the Logic app submits the audio files to Azure AI Speech for transcription. Azure AI Speech provides speech capabilities such as speech-to-text, text-to-speech, speech translation, and speaker recognition services. As part of Azure AI Services, this speech service helps you create applications by offering out-of-the-box, pre-built, customizable APIs and models. The Azure AI Speech completes the batch transcription and loads the transcription results into a storage account. Next, an Azure Synapse Analytics pipeline runs to retrieve and process the transcribed audio data. Azure Synapse Analytics is a full-featured enterprise analytics platform that provides data ingestion, orchestration, processing, and serving capabilities at scale. An Azure Function app in the pipeline uses an API call to send the processed text to the Text Analytics for Health feature of Azure AI language. This feature runs a healthcare-centric analysis of the text. The analysis extracts the following information: entities such as medications and diagnosis, related metadata like systemized nomenclature of medicine and international classification of disease, relationships among the entities that the feature identifies. Text Analytics for Health is a feature of Azure AI language that you can use to extract, classify, and understand text within the healthcare documents. You can use Text Analytics for Health to extract medical entities, medical entity metadata like SNOMED codes, and medical entity relationships from complex natural language that involves medical notes. An Azure Function app in the Azure Synapse Analytics pipeline calls the Azure OpenAI Service API. That call uses GPT to generate a human-readable summary of the call content. If needed, content that the text analytics for the health feature extracts in the previous step is passed to the OpenAI service and included in the summary. If the call content is needed for machine learning, GPT is used to extract a machine language-friendly data representation. The Azure OpenAI Embeddings API is used for that extraction. Azure Functions is an Azure native serverless solution that hosts lightweight code used in analytics pipelines. Functions support various languages and frameworks including .NET, Java, and Python. By using lightweight virtualization technology, functions can quickly scale out to support a large number of concurrent requests while maintaining enterprise-grade service-level agreements. To know more about Azure OpenAI, let me play a video. Azure Generative AI solutions provide access to OpenAI's powerful large language models such as ChatGPT. Azure OpenAI Service brings these generative AI models to the Azure platform, enabling you to develop powerful AI solutions that benefit from the security, scalability, and integration of other services provided by the Azure Cloud Platform. This can be used for creating personalized marketing campaigns or automatically generating product descriptions with AI. Azure OpenAI Service is currently in limited access. Users need to apply for service access before they can start building solutions with it. In case you would like to gain a better understanding of Azure AI services, I've included a link to an Azure AI service video at the top and in the description below. The processed data is then stored in a storage account. Azure Synapse Analytics is used to analyze this data at scale. The resulting content is served to visualization tools like Power BI via a serving layer like a SQL dedicated pool. Power BI is a business dashboard and visualization tool with integrated semantic modeling capabilities. And there you have it. You can use this solution within healthcare industry for many purposes, including smart analysis of telehealth data. You can extract insights from the audio that you collect from telehealth sessions in which patients interact with providers remotely to discuss results. Smart analysis of healthcare call center data. The solution can analyze call center data from healthcare providers who provide at-home or remote care to patients. As part of the analysis, you can extract valuable information about products such as adverse results that customers call about. Smart analysis of clinical trials data. You can collect valuable insights from internal touchpoints of clinical trials. The solution can automatically extract and correlate medical terminology to produce desired insights for large-scale analysis. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay curious, stay data-driven.